Picture this. You're sitting in a video call with your boss. You can see him. You can hear him. He's asking you to transfer $25 million. So you do it. Except that wasn't really your boss. That was a computer. And the money? Gone. Forever. This actually happened. And if you think you're too smart to fall for it, that's exactly what the last victim thought. Welcome back to the channel where I teach about personal finance to help you achieve financial independence. And in this video, I'll show you how deepfake scammers are using AI to clone voices and faces with just 3 seconds of audio. And they're stealing huge sums of money from regular people, not just companies. But before we dive in, please do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release new videos every week to help you achieve financial freedom. And here's a quick disclaimer. This video provides educational content only. It is not a substitute for professional advice. I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Always consult qualified professionals for personalized advice specific to your situation. Let's get started. Right now, as you're watching this video, deepfake scammers are stealing $12.5 billion from people just like you. That's billion with a capital B. Every single day, criminals are using AI to clone voices, fake video calls, and trick people into handing over their life savings. And here's the scary part. Most people don't even know it happened until it's too late. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot these scams before they spot you. Okay, let's back up for a moment. What the heck is a deepfake? Imagine you took a picture of your friend, but then a computer changed it to make it look like your friend is doing or saying something they never actually did. That's basically a deepfake. It's like those face swap filters on your phone, except 1,000 times better. So good that even you couldn't tell the difference. The computer learns what someone looks like and sounds like, then creates a fake version that seems totally real. Think of it like this. Remember those old Halloween masks that looked obviously fake? Well, deepfakes are like those masks, except they're so perfect that even your mom couldn't tell it's not really you. Let me tell you about the craziest bank robbery you've never heard of. This happened in Hong Kong. A worker at a big company gets a message from his boss, the chief financial officer. That's the person who controls all the company's money. The message says, "Hey, we need to have a video call. It's urgent. It's about a secret business deal." The employee thinks, "Okay, that's weird, but my boss sometimes does urgent stuff." So he joins the video call, and there's his boss. Right there on the screen, he can see him talking. He can hear his voice. Everything looks normal. But here's the thing. It wasn't really his boss. It was a computer pretending to be his boss. But wait, it gets even crazier. This wasn't just one fake person. The fake boss brings other people into the call. The employee recognizes them too. They're all from his company. Multiple people he's worked with for years. They all look real. They all sound real. But they're all fake. Every single person on that call was AI generated. The fake boss says, "We need you to transfer $25 million right now for this secret deal." The employee is nervous, but it's his boss, right? Plus all these other trusted people are on the call agreeing with the boss. So he does it. He transfers the money, and just like that, $25 million disappears into the scammer's pockets. By the time anyone realized what happened, the money was gone forever. If you're getting some value from this video, please do me a quick favor, hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Here's why this story should scare you. This employee wasn't stupid. He was actually doing exactly what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to verify things before sending money, right? And what better verification than actually seeing and hearing your boss ask for it? In a video call, with other coworkers there. But the scammers knew this. They knew you trust your eyes and ears, and they used that against him. This is like if someone invented a lock that looked super secure, but actually open for any criminal who knew the trick. Except the lock is your brain, and the trick is AI technology. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't work for a big company with millions of dollars. I'm safe, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. Scammers are using the exact same technology to steal from regular people like you and me. Here's how. Your mom calls you, crying. You can hear her voice. She says she's in trouble and needs $5,000 right now. Would you send it? Or your best friend texts you, then calls from their number. It sounds exactly like them. They need $500 for an emergency. Would you help? Or you get a video call from someone who looks exactly like your bank manager, saying there's fraud on your account and you need to verify some information. See how this works? The scammers don't need to steal millions to make money. They can steal $500 from thousands of people and make the same amount. Let's talk about the scariest one. Voice cloning. This is where things get really creepy. Scammers need just 3 seconds of someone's voice to clone it. 3 seconds. That's less time than it takes to say this sentence. Where do they get 3 seconds of your voice? Social media. That video you posted on Instagram? They got it. That TikTok where you're laughing with friends? They got it. That voicemail you left? That YouTube comment where you recorded audio? They got it all. And here's the kicker. The AI doesn't just copy your voice. It can make you say anything. The scammers can type out words and the AI will say those words in your voice. Think about everyone in your life who would send you money if they heard your voice asking for help. Your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your friends. The scammers are thinking about them too. Alright, enough scary stuff. Let's talk about how to protect yourself. Here are the red flags that scream deepfake scam. First, urgency. If someone is rushing you to send money right now or make a decision this instant, that's a huge warning sign. Real emergencies happen, but scammers love urgency because it stops you from thinking clearly. Second, unusual requests. If your boss has never asked you to transfer money before, why would he start now? If your mom has never called asking for thousands of dollars, why today? Third, changes in communication. If someone who normally texts suddenly calls, or someone who normally uses WhatsApp suddenly emails, that's weird, right? Pay attention to weird. Fourth, too perfect quality, or weirdly bad quality. Sometimes deepfakes are too smooth, too perfect. Other times, they're glitchy to hide the fake parts. Both are suspicious. Here's your defense plan. Number 1, create a family safe word right now. Yes, right now. Pause this video and text your family a safe word that only the family member know. If someone calls asking for money, ask for the safe word. If they can't give it to you, it's a scam. Simple. Number 2, hang up and call back. If someone who claims to be familiar calls or video calls asking for money, say, "Let me call you back in 5 minutes." Then call them back using a number you know is real. Not the number they called from. The number you have saved in your phone. Number 3, ask personal questions only the real person would know. What did we have for dinner last Tuesday? What's the name of my childhood dog? What's our inside joke about grandma's cooking? Scammers can fake voices and faces, but they can't fake memories. Number 4, use multiple ways to contact them. If they called you, text them. If they texted you, call them on a different app. Make the scammer work across multiple platforms. Now let's talk prevention. The less information scammers have about you, the harder it is for them to scam you. Here's what to do. First, lock down your social media. Make your accounts private. Do scammers really need to see your vacation photos and hear your voice in videos? No. Second, be careful what you post publicly. That video of you talking about your job? That's information scammers can use. That post about your bank? Information. That check-in at your favorite restaurant? Information. Everything you post is data they can use against you. Third, tell your family, especially older relatives, about these scams. Grandma and grandpa are prime targets because they didn't grow up with this technology. They trust phone calls and video. Teach them. Protect them. Fourth, never share financial information over calls or messages, even if you think you know who you're talking to. What if you think you're being scammed right now? Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Stop. Do not send any money. Do not share any information. Just stop. Step 2. End the call or message. Hang up. Close the app. Whatever you need to do. Step 3. Verify using a different method. Call the person back on their real number. Text them on a different app. Show up at their house if you need to. Step 4. If you already sent money, contact your bank immediately, like right now. Every second counts. Some banks can reverse transfers if you're fast enough. Step 5. Report it. Tell the police. Tell the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. Tell the FTC. The more reports they get, the more they can do to stop these scammers. And step 6. Warn others. Tell your friends and family what happened so they don't fall for the same trick. Here's the uncomfortable truth. This is only going to get worse before it gets better. Every month, artificial intelligence gets better. The deepfakes get more realistic. The scams get more sophisticated. Soon, you might not be able to tell any difference between real and fake. But here's the good news. Now you know, you're aware, you're prepared, and awareness is your best defense. The scammers rely on people not knowing these scams exist. They rely on trust and confusion. But you're not confused anymore. You know the red flags. You know how to verify. You know how to protect yourself and your family. The technology might be getting scarier, but you're getting smarter. Now I'm going to say something that might surprise you. Don't become paranoid. Seriously. Yes, these scams are real and dangerous, but if you become so paranoid that you don't trust any phone call or video call, the scammers win in a different way. They've stolen your ability to trust. Here's the balance. Be aware, not afraid. Verify, but don't panic. Trust, but confirm. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. You don't drive terrified of crashing every second. You just buckle up and drive normally. Same thing here. You don't live terrified of every call. You just verify and live normally. The scammers want you either completely unaware or completely paranoid. Be neither. Be smart. Be prepared. Be confident. Let's recap what you've learned today. Deepfakes are AI-generated fake videos and voices that look and sound completely real. Scammers are using them to steal billions of dollars from companies and regular people. They only need 3 seconds of your voice to clone it. Red flags include urgency, unusual requests, and changes in communication patterns. To protect yourself, create a family-safe word, hang up and call back on a known number, ask personal questions, lock down your social media, never share financial info over calls. If targeted, stop immediately, verify differently, and report it. The technology will get better, but so will you. Stay aware, not afraid. Verify. Don't panic. You're now smarter than 99% of people about this real threat. Here's your homework, and yes, I'm actually giving you homework. First, right now, text your family and create a safe word. Do it before you forget. Second, share this video with someone who needs to know this. Your parents, your grandparents, your friends. Help me spread awareness. Third, drop a comment below telling me, did you know about deepfake scams before this video? What surprised you most? Fourth, if you want more videos about protecting your money from modern scams, smash that subscribe button. And finally, here's a disturbing question for you. If someone could perfectly fake being you, how would your family know it's not really you? Think about that. Create your verification system now, before you need it. Stay safe out there. And remember, in the age of AI, you may trust, but verify. Always verify. Thanks for watching. Your financial security matters. See you in the next video.